Very good evening. My name is Pankaj Lohia, and today I have come up with the video which is very terrible. Let me tell you the incident what happened yesterday night. It was around 11:30 and the landslide occurred over here. Slowly I am going the area where the landslide occurred yesterday night, and it was very terrible moment yesterday, right? Because it was raining very heavily, and you can see the affected area over here. Some people are standing over there on the top of this affected area. Some people came today in order to check out the affected area over here, like government accountant and some other people also, like head of the village also came here in order to observe this location. You can see there was a landslide, and it often happens in village area, I mean in Uttarakhand, because in the urban area mostly what happened that there is a fear of flood, right? But in village area often the you know landslide occurs due to heavy rainfall. There are two fields that belongs to us. These two fields also belongs to us, and one is Mr. Dabbu, Mr. Prakash Lohia, and that was the wall of Mr. Dabbu Lohia. The area is very bad over here, and we are very fearful still because we don't know what is going to happen in the next couple of days or so. Still, there are chances that again the landslide is going to be there because the weather is very bad over here, and I'm just thinking that it is going to rain cats and dogs very heavily. You can see the sky over here. Clouds are still there. In some places of the Uttarakhand, there are cases where the cloud burst, like Chamoli, Rudraprayag, or some other locations in Garhwal region. But in Kumaon region, the cloud bursts are not that much. But there are chances that so many places those are actually affected due to this landslide. So we are just hoping that the people who came today here in order to observe this affected area, those people will definitely just take this case to the higher authority, and they will just take care of this situation, the condition of this area, right? Let's see what happens. My intention is just to upload this video so that people can actually look at the affected area, and those people can actually take care of this affected area, right? Whether actually the work is being done